Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Instacart Shopper app not working. Alright, let's begin. First, we need to completely close the Instacart application on our phone. Once we have it closed, we will open up our phone settings, then scroll down a little bit and search for offload. Now, after we have typed out offload, we will tap on offload unused apps and all of the installed apps will be displayed. Here, we just want to find Instacart from inside the list. If you can't find it at the top, just tap on the Show All button and you will be able to see Instacart. Simply tap on it and then select Offload App. Now this feature will delete the app but keep its data and documents. So if we click on Offload App and then reinstall the application, it might take a little bit of time. But once it has been reinstalled, you can just load up the application and it should be working properly. So that's basically how you can fix Instacart Shopper app not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.